I'm going to say something very bold today. Most importers in India are losing money, not because of suppliers, not because of customs, but because of the wrong freight forwarder. And the worst part, they don't even realize it. If you are importing from China, USA, Vietnam, Europe, this video might save you lakh of rupees this year. And no, I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to wake you up. Let's talk honestly. When your shipment delayed, what do you say? Customer ने रोक दिया, port congested है, line issue होगा. But let me ask you something. Who planned the shipment? Who checked the documentation? Who verified HS code? Who advised you on duty structure? Who tracked free days? Your freight forwarder. Most importers treat freight forwarder like a rate supplier. कितना लगेगा? सबसे सस्ता rate बताओ. And that is where the problem starts. Cheap freight is the most expensive decision because 5,000 rupees saved in freight, rupees 1.5 lakh lost in demurrage, 10 days delay, working capital blocked, customer commitment broken. And your forwarder says, "Sir, port issue था." No, it was planning issue. Let me expose the 5 biggest problems. First, no proactive advisory. A good freight forwarder tells you duty change आ रहा है, HS code mismatch हो सकता है, shipment hold हो सकता है. Bad forwarder wait until problem happens and then says, "Sir, देखते हैं." Second, no ownership. Shipment landed now. No update, no follow up, no clearance planning, no urgency. Your cargo is working capital, but for them, it's just one file number. Third, hidden charges game. Initial code looks attractive, then suddenly PSS, GRI, THC difference, documentation fee, handling charges, amendment charges, and final bill shocks you. Transparent forwarder doesn't play this game. Fourth, poor documentation control. Wrong invoice format, missing country of origin details, incorrect description. Result, assessment query, examination, delay, extra cost. Importer blames customs, but documentation preparation is forwarder's responsibility. Fifth, no long-term strategy. Most forwarders think shipment to shipment. Professional forwarder thinks annual volume planning, consolidation strategy, free time negotiation, line relationship, cost optimization. That's business partnership, no booking service. Let me calculate something simple. Supposedly, you are importing 2 containers per month, which means 40,000 rupees average avoidable extra container cost. That's 80,000 rupees per month. 1 year, 9,60,000. Almost 10 lakh rupees gone. And you still think your forwarder is just a vendor? No, he controls your cost, time, compliance risk, reputation, cash flow. Wrong partner, slow business. If you are serious about your import business, demand this. Pre-shipment advisory, HS code validation, duty structure guidance, real-time tracking, free time planning, transparent billing, emergency escalation. Ask your current forwarder these 3 questions. How are you reducing my landed cost yearly? What risk do you see in my next import shipment? What is the escalation matrix if cargo gets stuck? If they can't answer these questions, you know the problem. I have been handling imports for more than 15 years and I can tell you one thing confidently. Serious importers do not look for cheap freight forwarders. They look for a reliable partner. Your goods are not just cartons. They are your capital, your commitments, your brand. If you feel your current forwarder is reactive, if you feel you're always chasing for updates, if you feel you're losing money but can't know why, maybe it's time to evaluate. Not emotionally, but strategically. If you are an importer and want a professionally audit, connect with us. Let's see if your current logistics system is allowing you to grow or silently slowing you down. Because in import business, delay is expensive, silence is risky, and wrong partner is dangerous.